Welcome to the Big Brand Stories. At the Big Brand Stories, we unveil the incredible transformations behind the world's most renowned brands. Today, we're excited to dive into the remarkable turnaround story of Domino's Pizza. It's a tale of resilience, innovation, and perseverance. Are you ready to discover how a pizzeria, once drowned in criticism, reinvented itself to become a global powerhouse? Chapter 1: The Rise and Fall of a Pizza Legend. Domino's began its journey in the 1960s, but it was in the 80s and 90s that it experienced a surge in popularity across the United States. With its promise of quick delivery, 30 minutes or less, it became a household name. However, this focus on speed came at the expense of quality. By the early 2000s, the situation was unsustainable. In a world where consumers increasingly had access to information and platforms to voice their opinions, Domino's disappointing quality could no longer be ignored. Pizzerias once seen as innovative were now a shadow of their former selves. Chapter 2: Hitting Rock Bottom and the Revelation. In the 2000s, Domino's reputation was in tatters. Across forums, blogs, and burgeoning social media channels, consumers spared no criticism. The pizza crust was compared to cardboard, and the sauce branded as watered-down ketchup. With management focused solely on short-term financial results, the crisis deepened. By 2009, their stock had plummeted to $3, reflecting internal despair and the negative public perception. It was into this scenario that Patrick Doyle was appointed CEO. He realized a simple change in strategy wouldn't suffice. What was needed was something drastic, transparent, and human. From this insight came the "Oh Yes We Did" campaign, a candid admission of faults broadcasted to the public in their own voice. A revolutionary move that openly acknowledged the perceived low quality of their products and promised radical changes ahead. Chapter 3: The Transformation Strategy, from Recipe to Consumer. Recognizing the problem was just the beginning. The real challenge lay ahead, reinventing the very essence of Domino's. Intense product development sessions began. New recipes for the crust, fresh and high-quality ingredients were introduced, and the sauce was revamped into a key selling point. But perhaps the biggest change wasn't in ingredients, but in technology. By investing over $100 million, Domino's developed a pioneering online ordering system. The app, which allowed customers to track their orders in real time, established a new standard for customer-company interaction. Enhancing logistics and ensuring hot, fresh deliveries, the brand started redefining what was possible in fast delivery. Chapter 4: The Turnaround Impact, Explosive Growth and Innovation. The reception was phenomenal. In the first quarter after launching the new recipes, sales increased by 14.3%, a testament to the impact of the changes. Domino's not only regained their customer base, but expanded it. Those who invested in stocks during the crisis saw their gamble multiply by 5,000% over a little more than a decade, with shares surpassing $500 in 2021. Beyond financial growth, Domino's became a standout innovator. It introduced ordering via Twitter, integrated virtual assistants, and began testing autonomous deliveries. By 2021, global revenues surpassed $4.3 billion, reinforcing its leadership in the fast food market. Chapter 5: Lessons Learned, Management, Data, and the Victory of Innovation. What the story of Domino's teaches us is profound respect for management with a focus on feedback and data. Leadership knew how to use each criticism as an opportunity for learning and transformation. By investing both in product improvement and revolutionary technology, Domino's not only corrected its faults, but reshaped the customer experience. This transformation was only possible due to the courage to admit errors and the willingness to invest in innovation and talent. It wasn't merely about improving pizzas, but rethinking an entire business model. Conclusion: Domino's journey is an inspiring example that failures don't have to be final, but can be springboards to lasting success. By redefining its operations and strategies, it demonstrated the power of resilience and innovation. I hope this story not only entertains but inspires each of you to face challenges with courage and determination. Failure can merely be the beginning of something grand. Subscribe to our channel now for more transformative stories and discover how the world's leading brands overcame their greatest challenges to achieve enduring success.